Okay, y'all. So I told the girls this morning that I was gonna take them somewhere, a surprise. They don't know what it is. It's a girls' day. I'm excited too. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but we will show you. It's gonna be awesome. I'm hoping that it's what I think it is, and we're gonna have so much fun. And they're so excited, and they just have no idea. All they know is that I'm taking them somewhere and it's a surprise. So stick around.
Guys, this is so exciting. Yeah. Our mom is going to take us now
somewhere, and I'm so scared, and I have no idea where. I'm not scared, but I'm so excited. And I really want to. Like, I'm so excited. I don't know where we're going, but like, I'm so excited.
Yeah. This is going to be so fun. So
Play. Before we left our house, my dad said, he said, did you brush your teeth, Felicity? I said, yeah. And then he said, okay, good, because you're going to the dentist. I was like, Daddy, I thought right.
He does that all the time.
Yeah, I'm excited because we're getting closer and closer, because right now we're 14 minutes away, and I'm so excited.
We are 3 minutes away.
Okay, where I go from here now? Gotta stay here.
Put my emotion back in.
Gotta stay here.
I'm trying to save my emotion.
Stay on this road.
For now, I'm just gonna close my eyes since we're 3 minutes away. Guess what?
Oh, I'm not going to October.
Ready, Farin? 1, 2, 3. We are 1 minute away.
So close your eyes, Felicity.
You do too.
My eyes hurt.
Just start looking the opposite way from where it is, because I think it's. I'm just so excited.
Okay, girls, what do you read? What does that say?
Sloomoo.
Do you know what Sloomoo is? Okay. Well, we'll find out when we get in there. What?
It's a slimy experience.
So what do you think it's about?
Slime.
But there's more to it than just that. Guys, there is something even more exciting.
I think I've seen this before, just on like shorts, but I only saw like Sloomoo.
Okay, but there's something even more exciting about. You saw it? It was gonna be a surprise for y'all. Y'all are gonna be making slime with them. Oh, Felicity's crying. I'm sorry. I was like, oh my goodness, are you crying? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Felicity's crying. You're gonna be making slime with them. To making slime with the Meckler twins? Are you excited to be making slime? Are you excited?
Guys, I was right. I said YouTuber, and we're sitting in the corner. Special guest that we have.
Everyone's starting to see some kind of chunks like cottage cheese. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna add a little. I missed it, Felicity. I missed her dumping it in. It's okay.
He's a little shy though, so that's very comfortable. Thank you guys for coming. I love your channel. Oh, what's your name? Felicity? Yeah. Yep. And then whenever you're ready, you have to decorate. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to have more lotion in here. I have a lot of lotion because remember when I was over there, it was very chocolatey. Yeah. Can I see yours?
Thank you.
About to get slimed.
This one is clear. Let's take them. Look at the slime and they slimed it.
It's the vowels of your name with, oh, let me see your name. What's your name? What's your new name? Furu. Felicity, what's your name? Felicity.
Mine's like Felicity. So
your experience. How was your experience?
I loved it. We had so much fun. Everyone likes to they kept like calling by us and they're like, you guys want a hug? Okay. Yes, we saw the map they were playing. Now that was I honestly don't really think it was good. It was amazing!